Hey everyone, Stephen Simard here with Real Broker. I cannot wait to welcome you to this open house at 68 K Street in West Granby. This home is a gem, set in one of Granby's most peaceful and scenic areas. You'll love the light-filled layout, spacious living areas, and that cozy New England charm that's so hard to find today. The property offers plenty of space both inside and out with a 2-acre lot, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or just enjoying everything we love about life here in Granby and the Farmington Valley. If you've been looking for a move-in ready home in a quiet setting, not far from parks, trails, schools, and local favorites like Salmon, Brook Park and Holcomb Farm, this is one you don't want to miss. 68 K Street features brand new windows, a 2-year young septic system you will never have to worry about. This is the one. Join me this Saturday. Come see why 68 K Street is such a special opportunity here in Granby.